today's video. In our learning posture mode, fly out of the desired route with UAV. In professional aerial photography creation, some people choose pose mode to shoot. Because in GPS mode, once the pitching lever is accidentally released, roll bar, no one has a chance to tilt the brakes in the opposite direction. The shooting picture is not smooth enough. In practice posture mode, the flight of UAV on straight line, rectangle, climb, dive and other routes helps to take a smoother aerial picture. For example, Jingling 4. Tell you how to fly a smooth and uniform route in attitude mode. Turn the tail of the UAV towards itself and gently push the pitching lever. The drone flew forward. According to the attitude of the UAV, adjust the heading bar and roll bar. Maintain a straight and uniform course. How to judge whether the route of UAV is straight and uniform. We can fly to the right. Look with your eyes. Then keep practicing. After mastering straight line flight, you can practice rectangle, climb, and dive flight. It's essentially the same as straight flight. When flying on the original route, the attitude control of UAV is more difficult. At this time, observe the route of the UAV with your eyes. If drift occurs, adjust immediately. The highest state of attitude mode is that the eyes find the UAV drifting. Correct the stroke with both hands immediately. You don't have to think about how you can fix it. This is a process of repeated proficiency. Don't worry. Once you feel overwhelmed during practice, switch to GPS mode immediately. I wish you all the best in your practice. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.